What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. First of all, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So I'm going to Mathare, where demolitions has been happening. Yesterday I was in Shaurimoyo, or you see it in the previous video. I was in Shaurimoyo or Kariadudu. Let's go and see how the situation is. Let's go. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going this way, and the demolition are happening around this river. So up to past this hill, it's like a heap of soil. It was brought here during the construction of the super highway. So along this river is where the demolition is happening. So let's go this way, and let me see you in the demolition site or the demolition place. This one is the one doing demolitions. Demolitions have happened today over here. This one is Mathare, and this one is the Mathare River. So this is the demolitions. Yesterday we are in Kariadudu. We were in Kariadudu yesterday. Today this is Mathare, still in Nairobi, and the government doesn't want anybody along the river. Like I told you, 30 meters. Away from the river. Keep off. So demolitions have happened again in Mathare, like I told you. This is Mathare River. You can see all these houses, all of this have been demolished today. You can see even someone's mattress over there. And people look so devastated. And what I've noticed, I've met kids coming from school. Some left their houses in good condition. They have come home to find their home is no more. You can see people collecting their belongings over there. Damn. I'm not sure if they were given a notice, but I've read from the news that the notice had already been served. But of course, as Kenyans or Africans, we get serious when action is taken. People collecting their wood. Look at this one. It's somebody's home gone like that. You can see even to that edge, people had constructed directly in the river. You can see right there. That is in the river. Same as this one. People are trying to salvage whatever they can, so that at least they can resell the metal to second-hand dealers and the iron sheet, so they can get something to start off their life again. Because now they have been pushed to zero, to ground zero. The police have already left. They are protecting or making sure the people doing the demolitions, they have executed their job. You can see right there, that house is hanging dangerously on the side of the river. Not even sure if it's a safe foundation. Let's keep moving and see how things are going. You can see all these people, some holding their head. They are devastated. see people had constructed up to this point. This is the river now, the Mathare River. And I've noticed the rivers nowadays are becoming cleaner and cleaner. Long ago, these rivers used to have black water, like the sewer could be drained in here. But this one seemed like it was somebody's house, you see. But of course, it's finished. You can see that this house was constructed in the river, guys. People, I think the point here is people are risking their life too much. But I think it's because they don't have any other option. You see all this place, and the demolitions are yet to be done. They will come again tomorrow to complete with the part they have remained with. Tomorrow again, anywhere along this river, wherever it passes, if there are buildings 30 meters this way and also 30 meters this way, they will be all demolished. So let me cross the bridge now. See, all these kids have now been left homeless. Although I don't want to capture the kids so much because of the YouTube policy. This is a newly constructed bridge. It's a good initiative by the government. See all this place. From here up to this point, going that way. There will be all demolished, like you have seen now, they have been demolished. And they will continue to this side. This is the wood they had used to construct, and now somebody is collecting. It's collecting, everybody is collecting. You can see those guys over there. They are lifting heavy object. It's metal. It was used for the slab, and now it's connected. Now they have to carry it, to carry the thing together. All this place demolished. See all this place. This was someone's sofa. This was someone's sofa set. Finished. Let me see these guys that are carrying this stuff. Oh, they're taking it. That's some good business. It was used for the slab, like I told you. Now since it has been demolished, now it's business, second hand, scrap metals. You also have to be careful so that you don't step on a nail, because now these construction nails are exposed. Let's keep, you can see all this. Wow. Our houses. So now going to sell. It's good business for now. Good money. This is Mathare, like I told you, and down here is the Mathare River. Oi. So our people's homes now they are left homeless. I see all this one of someone's house. This one is a house. All of this. Yeah, this one is already demolished. I see this one also window. The door. This one on the door. All of these have been demolished today. This is Mathare. Demolitions started on this side. You can see all the way from where I've taken you today. I wish these families get help as soon as possible because the situation is so bad for them. Let me go to another section and see how the situation is. Like I told you, this is Mathare. Let's continue. Oh, this is Mathare, but this one is a beautiful apartment. But of course they followed the required procedures, not constructing too close to the river. Let's go to another section and see how the situation is. This is a bridge still under construction. This is how we are crossing, guys. This is the river down here. I see that bridge is yet to be constructed. The construction is yet to finish. Hey, situation is bad. I can see a mom with a small kid, although I don't want to film her. Her situation is not looking so good. You can see this was a nice story house. This is the ceiling, the PVC ceiling. What do they call it? It's a drawer. This is a jar, maybe for honey or storing their. You see, it's demolished. There's no roof. I want to go to another section. Let me go to another section and see the other part of the demolition. This is just another normal ghetto or ghetto. You can see belongings of people here outside. They have nowhere to go at the moment. Let's go down. I think this one was a church. This one was a church. You can see it's like even the podium where the pastor preaches from is still there. Right here. See the windows taken down. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you continue with the video. Today I'm coming live from Mathare. The previous video was in Shauri Moyo, Kariadudu, and today I'm coming from Mathare where demolitions have happened today. Let's go see how things have taken place, and subscribe if you haven't. Let's go. This is a makeshift bridge. Makeshift bridge. Although they have constructed a new one like you have seen. This is the situation on the ground. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is what they are removing. The metals, any volume. Any variable is removed. So this is the situation I'm now living. It has been real. The situation is bad, as you can see. So subscribe to the channel and comment. Edge over there is a Changa brewery. That's very risky to go there. And also there, you can see over there. Coming to sell their metals or whatever they have collected to sell as scrap metal. This road is in business now, and this is Mathare, and I'm leaving. You can see ahead here. You can see like this one. This is a product. They are measuring it right there, and they are paid per kilo. Busy over here. You can see people there. They are carrying the slab metal or the steel. That is steel. The metal that had been used to construct the pillar or the pillars and the slab. So they are measuring there per kilo will be paid. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm now leaving Mathare. You can see this where the bulldozer or the tractor, the backhoe, the one that is like this. This is where it entered through. You can see they made some destruction over here in this shaba. So that's it for today's video. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave your comment or what's your thought on this demolition that are going on. Let me see you in the next video. Like it, turn on the notification bell, and let me see you in the next video. Peace.